Testing, testing. Hi, I'm Justin with McQueen Building Company. I'm one of the foremen here. We're going to take an inside look at what it's like to be a foreman with McQueen. We're going to start my day at my home away from home, grabbing a few materials here at the hardware store, and then we're going to check out some of the job sites. So come along. We're going to head into the secret contractor's entrance now. So I got everything I needed. I got a drywall patch, some screws, and some cleaning materials to get my day started. So we are here at our Cedarview Drive project. I just spoke with my project manager about a couple other things that got added to the list today. So I've updated Buildertrend with the to-do list and the tasks that we need to get done. And we'll be checking those things off as we go. So I'm going to take you in and we're going to take a look around and see what we've got going on. Things look a lot different than day one at this project. We originally had a wall here with cabinetry on it. This side here was just the kitchen, and this was more of a formal area. And we just finished having the flooring installed. So next steps are we're going to put on some trim. We're going to keep going with that, and then we're going to get set up and we're going to be ready to go for cabinet install coming later this week. So there are 5 foremen that work for McQueen. We each have different strengths. Typically, towards the finishing stages of a job, you might find yourself on a job site by yourself, at least up until the last couple days when maybe there's a bigger push to get everything cleared out, all the materials, all the tools taken out, everything cleaned up. So the final couple days, there'll typically be a few more people on the site. Like a job we're going to go to later today that's at the beginning stages, like framing, there's going to be several people there working. It's very difficult to try and do framing by yourself, so it always helps to have an extra set of hands while you're doing stuff like that. I think one of the favorite parts of my job is that I am consistently able to learn and pick up new skills and techniques. We work with just a lot of people who have a ton of experience in this industry, and everybody has sort of a different background, different specialties and focuses that they have that they're really good at, and can bring just a lot of knowledge and experience. So I'm constantly getting to challenge myself to learn new techniques and skills and solve different problems, but picking up a lot of useful skills for the trades that I'm in along the way. All right, so we're here at one of our Carriage Lane projects. We're doing some framing on an addition. I talked to one of our carpenters. It looks like we are standing up some walls right now, starting to get the framework together for this. So I'm gonna lend a hand, see where they need me, and help get this on the way. But first, the real reason I'm here is because most of these guys can't be trusted without having the McQueen Building Company field champion come and check in on them. So McQueen Building Company field champion, we've changed over from employee of the month to field champion, and when you are named field champion, you get to wear the belt. It's just a fun way to keep things light on the job site, to goof around and have a good time together. We had guys here digging out for the foundation and pouring the concrete slab. We got all our lumber on site, and we're just now starting to get the first steps of framing going, where we're building some walls. So hopefully you've seen that we do like to have some fun together while on a job site. But I think one of the things that does set McQueen apart is that the employees are all very self-motivated. We like knowing that we've put in a hard day's work and that we've done something that's going to better the life and the home of the customers that we're working for. That we're not coming onto a job site to work, but we're coming into somebody's house to work, and we want to take care of that and take care of them.